Students, this is second video on chapter 7 Saudi Arabia, the land of sandy deserts and oases. In this video, we will learn about natural vegetation and wildlife, life of people and occupation, minerals and industries, transport and cities of Saudi Arabia. Vegetation. Vegetation is very scarce in Saudi Arabia due to scanty rainfall and sandy land. So, the vegetation over here is very less or scarce because it is a desert country. So, it receives very less amount of rainfall and the land is sandy. Mainly cactus is found here. So mainly cactus plants are found over here. Some weeds, herbs and shrubs are also found here. Date palm is a very common tree found here. The Asir region has grasslands and trees. So this is the greenest part of Saudi Arabia, this Asir region. It has grasslands and trees. Wildlife. Camel is the most useful animal found in this country. It is called the ship of the desert because it can move easily on the sand because of its padded feet, and it can survive for many days without water and food. Other animals found here are wolves, baboons, hyenas, wildcats and ibex. Now you can see this is a picture of wildcat, okay, and this is ibex. It is a type of goat. Look at the long horns. Birds like bustards, pelicans and pigeons are also found here. A variety of snakes are also found over here. Life of people. Until few decades back, most of the people of Saudi Arabia were nomads. Nomads are the people who move from place to place in search of food, water, or in search of pastures for their animals. They were called Bedouins. They kept herds of goat, sheep and camels. They moved in groups with their herds in search of pastures for their animals. After the discovery of petroleum in this region, the life of the people has changed remarkably. See, you can see this is a picture of Bedouins. Okay, these are the tribal people of Saudi Arabia. Look at their colorful dresses they wear. Okay. Now, 95% of the population has permanently settled in cities located around oases. See, with the discovery of petroleum, the life of the people of Saudi Arabia has changed a lot. Now, 95% of the population has permanently settled. Now 95% of the population are no more nomad. They have permanently settled in the cities around oasis. Why? Because in oasis region water is found and there is some vegetation. They can grow some crops like wheat and barley, and date palm trees are also there. The people of Saudi Arabia are called Arabs. They wear gutra and egal as headdress. Thawb is a loose-fitting white robe that men wear. Women wear abaya, a black dress that covers the whole body except eyes. Okay, so women wear a long dress, black color dress, which is called abaya. Okay, it covers their whole body, only their eyes can be seen. The staple food or the main food of Arabs include khobs, lamb, falafel, shawarma, and hummus. Now you can see this is the traditional dress of men in Saudi Arabia. They wear long white colored dress. It is called thawb, and on their headdress it is gutra. Okay, this cloth part it is gutra, and the ring type thing it is egal. Traditional dress of women in Saudi Arabia. See, the woman is wearing abaya, which is a long black colored dress, and it covers their whole body, only the eyes can be seen. Okay. Now, occupation. The most important occupation of people of this country is petroleum extraction. What do you mean by petroleum extraction? Means they take out petroleum from inside the earth. Okay. And manufacturing of petroleum products. And they also manufacture or make petroleum products. A few farmers grow date palms and crops like wheat and barley around oasis. Here you can see it is a picture of oasis. Okay, and around oasis, see date palm trees you can see, and some of the farmers they grow their wheat and barley also. Okay, Bedouins rear camel for their meat, milk, skin, and hair. Religion. Most of the people of this country follow Islam religion. Okay, most of them are Muslims. The two most important pilgrim centers of Muslims, Makkah and Medina, are located in Saudi Arabia. Language. Arabic is the national language of Saudi Arabia. English is also widely spoken here. Minerals and industries. Minerals like copper, iron ore, gold, and silver are found here. But petroleum is the most important mineral found here. It has about 25% of the world's known petroleum reserve. Okay, so 25% of the petroleum reserves of the world are found in this country only. Major industries located here are petroleum refineries, in which they refine the petroleum. See, petroleum is the crude oil which is taken out from inside the earth. Okay, and from this, after refining it, petrol, kerosene, diesel, gasoline, naphtha, and other products are produced. Okay, so major industries are petroleum refinery and petrochemicals. Cement, fertilizers, plastic industries are also found here. Transport. Saudi Arabia has a well-developed transport network of railways, roadways, and airways. Luxury cars and buses are also common here. Cities. Riyadh is the capital city of Saudi Arabia. Some other important cities are Makkah, Medina, Jeddah, Aba, and Al-Hassa.